Cadillac XT4 leak repairs. The Cadillac Motor Car Division is a division of the American automobile manufacturer General Motors Company that designs and builds luxury vehicles. Its major markets are the United States, Canada, and China. Cadillac models are distributed in 34 additional markets worldwide. The 2020 Cadillac XT4 is a luxury compact SUV that blends stylish design, a well-appointed interior, and advanced technology. Here are key details about the 2020 Cadillac XT4. Routine maintenance is essential to keep your Cadillac XT4 in optimal condition and to ensure its longevity. While specific service requirements can vary based on factors such as driving conditions and individual vehicle usage. Here are general guidelines for Cadillac XT4 service. Regular oil changes. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for oil change intervals. This is crucial for maintaining engine performance and longevity. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly check and change essential fluids such as transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, and power steering fluid. Tire maintenance. Rotate your tires at regular intervals to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure regularly and align the wheels if necessary. Brake system inspection. Regularly inspect the brake system, including brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid. Replace components as needed. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter at recommended intervals to ensure proper airflow to the engine. Cabin air filter replacement. Replace the cabin air filter to maintain clean air inside the vehicle for occupants. Battery check. Monitor the condition of the battery, checking for corrosion on terminals and ensuring secure connections. Inspection of belts and hoses. Regularly inspect and, if necessary, replace belts and hoses that show signs of wear or damage. Wheel alignment. Schedule a wheel alignment if you experience steering issues or notice uneven tire wear. Check and replace wiper blades. Inspect wiper blades regularly and replace them if they show signs of wear to ensure clear visibility. Check lights and signals. Regularly check all exterior and interior lights, including headlights, brake lights, and turn signals. Software updates. Stay informed about any software updates or recalls issued by Cadillac. These updates may enhance vehicle performance and address potential issues. Scheduled maintenance. Adhere to the manufacturer's recommended scheduled maintenance as outlined in the owner's manual. Professional service. Seek professional Cadillac service at authorized service centers. Technicians at these centers are trained to work specifically on Cadillac vehicles. Always refer to the owner's manual for the manufacturer's specific recommendations regarding maintenance intervals and service procedures for your Cadillac XT4. Regular maintenance not only ensures the vehicle's performance but also contributes to your safety and the longevity of your Cadillac.